Hi guys, I'm Angellina. I'm a sophomore psychology major and Spanish minor. I'm gonna be showing you Sitka, which is the dorm building that I currently live in. So this is kind of the outdoors area of the Grove. We have all the 4 buildings. So that right there is Bidwell, that's Aspen, that's Sequoia, and this is Sitka, the building that I live in. And my room is right up there. But this is really nice, especially when the weather is super nice, because people will kind of sprawl out on the lawn or the picnic tables and do work. Down there is the entrance to the canyon, which is another really great spot to walk in and just take advantage of. But now we're gonna enter. We have a wonderful dining room area. This is my friend Asia. We were just cooking dinner together. So there's a communal fridge and freezer, and you can store all your food and whatnot in these cabinets. There's a stove, a dishwasher, a microwave, so all the essentials that you might need. And all residential buildings have laundry units. We also have a couple communal areas to either do work or just lounge. So this is our living room. It has a really nice fireplace. Then this is our TV room. This is super sick. I feel super fortunate to have this because I don't know if any of you guys were watching Euphoria, but all my friends and I would have watch parties down here. And so we would all stream Euphoria together, and that was super fun. This is the entrance to my dorm room. This is a cute little name tag that I've had since I was born, so I brought it from home just to keep a little piece of home with me while I moved. Oh, okay, I have some exciting things in my room. My friends, I guess, left me a shirt, cute, and I guess one of my stuffed animals is missing. That is it. Oh, okay. I guess one of my friends took my stuffed animals. Anyways, this is my room. I have a single. I requested to be in a single just because I'd been living with my sister for my entire life, and so I really just wanted to be able to have my own space and whatnot, and so thankfully I was given a single, which is really, really nice. I have a lot of space, you can tell. I'm able to have a full-length mirror in my room, and I really, really like this because I'm really into sewing. It's good to have this full-length mirror when I'm designing pieces and trying them on. So that's super good. And then I have an entire purse wall. I took some of my favorite purses from back home. Again, a lot of them are from my childhood, so it's just nice to have these little collectible pieces in my room. My closet. So I do have a lot of space. Make sure to get hangers if possible when moving in, because the dorm rooms do not come provided with hangers. I also got this shoe divider stitch, which I think has been really useful to kind of organize my shoes. I have cute little fairy lights. This kind of sets the ambiance for my room. All the dorms come with a desk situation. So this desk situation has been really good to just keep a bunch of markers, some sewing stuff, my journals and whatnot. They're all in here. It's nice to do work here too. Also, I have this cute little teacup set that I got from Ren Fair. Ren Fair is a 3-day long celebration that commemorates the seniors for completing their theses and whatnot. So it was really exciting to be there, and the theme was Garden of Pandenomia. I'm originally from New York, so a big shift moving to Portland. However, I definitely think I made the right decision. I think Portland's super beautiful. The hikes here are insane. The nature's super crazy. And also just Reed is a really good academically fit school for me, and just socially fit school. I feel I get challenged in all the ways I want to be challenged, and everyone's just super intellectually curious. And so I really appreciate just being able to have meaningful conversations with people. Another great thing about Sitka is that it comes with these built-in bookshelves. So I do have some books right down there. And then I have my speaker, my cameras, and I love to cook. So I have a bunch of different spices up here, and some other snacks. Normally I'm loaded. My friends always come to my room to get snacks, just because they always know that I'll have something. This view is also amazing. Have a great view of the Grove Quad. This is the bathroom kind of layout for the Sitka dorm building. These are all private stalls, and then you have private shower stalls as well. And we also have a bathtub upstairs on the 3rd floor. The last thing I will mention that's super nice is another study room. This is a super nice space, just because when you are studying, especially during finals week, it's nice to just like not have to walk all the way to like the library or to Commons, etc., to just do your work. And it tends to not get really busy in here, so a lot of times when you're in the study room, you're kind of the only person in here. So that's good if you like need quiet and alone time to like focus.